Okay, so we have a 2012 Nissan Quest, and we're doing a tune-up. I've already taken it apart, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here at the back of the engine, I'm just fix this light so you could see a little better. Okay, so this is the back of the intake here, and right here we have the power steering line that bolts there, and then we have the PCV hose and the hose for the booster. That's the three things at the back of the intake. And then here we had a throttle body that bolts right here. So in order to get to the plugs at the back, we need to get this off. So yeah, so that's some of the things you have to take apart to get this out. This is a little bit tricky to get to this bolt in the back here, but you could get to it. It's doable. And these are the bolts that holds the front. 4 bolts and 2 nuts. That's right here. Make sure you put just for good practice, you put rags or something to cover down the intake. You don't want anything falling down into the engine. You don't want to create a problem. So yeah, that's basically it to get to the plugs. I put the plugs in already in the back. I put the 3 plugs in, and let me see. I didn't get all the coils as yet. So far I only have 1 coil, so yeah, so that's it. Still waiting for the rest of the coils, waiting for 5 more coils. So it's a complete tune-up with plugs, coils, PCV valve, air filter, and we'll be replacing the oxygen sensors also. So apart from the tune-up, we're also going to be replacing these gaskets here. So you just take a pick and you just get them out just like that, and that's going to be replaced with new ones. I usually wash it out a little bit with some carburetor cleaner before I put it back together. So there you have it. Tune up on a 2012 Nissan Quest. What tools you might need? These are ratchet with a 10 socket. You need a 9/16mm socket, spark plug socket, 6-inch extension, 3/8 drive ratchet, and pliers. What else? That's about it. And I'm also going to be putting a new battery in here, since battery is no good. So yeah, it's like a complete tune-up. A complete tune-up. These are the coils for the front. I didn't change those as yet. So I'm going to do the 3 in the back. Put this intake back on, get this all back together, then I'm gonna concentrate on these three here. So hope you enjoy that video, and I'm gonna have some more of these for you. How to fix your own car.